Hi, hello, namaskara. Eldrigo, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to another vlog. So I've taken left from Yana Cross. I mean, it's straight if you're coming from Shirsi to Ankola. As I've visited Yana, if you've not watched my previous vlog, I'll link it in the description and I'll put it in the I button also. So after finishing Yana's visit, I thought I'll go to Vibhuti Falls. That was actually planned, as it is very nearby. So this is the road. I cannot put a GoPro on as it is drizzling here, and it is very common to rain very heavily here in this area. As I told you, it started pouring down, so I had to stop motor vlogging to save the GoPro. And I've reached the entrance to the Vibhuti Falls now. I'm just tracking that. So from the parking spot, it's about 2 kilometers that you need to go inside.
Right.
So this place is just about 9 kilometers from Yana. For those of you who are coming from Gokarna, this makes a very nice one-day trip. Right, about 40-45 kilometers. You can rent a scooty and come. More than 90% of the people coming here have come by rented scooters. The steps laid out neatly in a lot of places that you can just easily walk. Visit the Yana caves, enjoy the view, come down here, get drenched in the water, get fresh and go back to wherever you want to. Right. So this waterfall is not made of any river, but a small streams coming by these mountains have created this. So why it is called Vibhuti Falls? Because it comes from the crystal stones. I'll put the definition or images of crystal stones here in this video. You can see that. So what has happened is water flows down multiple layers. So even before you reach the actual spot, Vibhuti spot or Vibhuti Fall spot, you will keep hearing the water noise flowing through the stone layers, right? Which creates multiple small falls. It's a very beautiful view to have. I think we've almost reached. Yeah. Not so dangerous. They put nice ropes. It's not so deep. You just go down to the place where the water falls and it's not raining so much today. so you can manage to. But if it rains in full swing here, you can't even imagine. Starting from there, layer by layer, this water keeps flowing down to the Arabic Sea. So ಇದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೋಗಿ ಅರಬ್ಬಿ ಸಮುದ್ರ ಸೇರುತ್ತೆ. There are many more small waterfalls down below if you go down, but the approach to those waterfalls are very difficult. So that's the reason you will come to this first drop point. It is first falling down from the mountain top. So that ends. I've sat down in the water, enjoyed, swimmed a bit. I couldn't capture all those things because I had come alone, but the time spent here was so refreshing, right? It could be a nice trip in between your weekend gateway. So please do visit this place. Comment down below with your opinions. I hope you have liked this vlog. As people are waiting to go down, I'm hoping that you're having a good day. I'm hoping that you're doing well, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel if you're watching it for the first time. So please do share it with your friends. Thanks a lot. Take care. Bye bye. We'll end it with one more magnificent view of the waterfall. See you all. Bye bye.